goodies. Lots of good. Well,
will they work?
Goodie.
We don't know. We're not showing everything.
No, I know.
So Matt bought these on Amazon after they're normally on, not on Amazon, they're about 80 quid.
If you get them from like a car page, they're like, well, some of them are like 80, 90 pounds.
So we bought, what have we bought, Matthew?
We've got new wing mirror indicators that are sequential, I think is what
Dynamic.
they're called. Dynamic sequential something.
So they should.
So they go like, don't know what way they're going to go. Probably this way, like ooh.
Yeah, like I know that, I think normal car people know them as like the Audi light.
Yeah, the swooping
Basically.
light, Audi swooping light.
Yeah. So that's what they should do.
Hopefully
They've
they'll
got fairly
work.
good reviews. There was only one review, wasn't there?
But there was
that
a
said
couple.
One light.
There was a
didn't
lot
work.
of the English reviews was like half and half. Like some people basically saying like it's missing an LED, like say there for example. So like it's got a tiny little gap, which would be annoying. But I suppose it's not the end of the world, is it?
No.
But then there's a lot of foreign reviews and they're all like 5-star. But obviously I don't speak like German or something like that.
So we're gonna go fit them and see if they work, if they're good, and if it's worth risking 38 quid.
So yeah.
38 quid over £80 because, to be honest, I reckon
they're
all
all
the
the
car
same thing,
brands
aren't
are
they?
literally selling these for a nice tasty profit. And we're here to,
Deplug them.
yeah, bake them out.
Come
So
then.
let's go. Hey, so we're down. We're down? One off. Well, one down. One down, that's what I was trying to say. Should we just leave that like that? Weight reduction. You look so attractive from down here. Have you got weeds or anything? There'd be something magnetic in the house. Okay, so are they going to work? Am I supposed to go to the end?
I thought so. Let me put the indicator.
But yeah, because it might not do it. I'm nervous now. It works, come round. That is perfect. They work, which is great, and Matt saved like, I don't know, 50 quid or whatever. Not a 15-minute job.
To be fair, it was only like
Half hour?
25 minutes, half hour.
Maybe they meant 15 minutes each side.
Yeah, maybe, yeah, I'd say that.
It is one of them mods where everything feels like it's going to break, or it sounds like you've broken everything along the way, haven't you? But we only cracked one little thing. It's not really a big deal, like you could put it back on the car and you'd never ever notice.
It was the old light, wasn't it? The little,
Yeah.
one of the little tabs on the old indicator, but it's not even a tab. Because it's like along the whole bottom of it, it's just got a lip which slots in. It was like 2 mil of the lip come off, so I was like, still going to be secure, isn't it? But
I think the best thing, there's not really, watch some videos on it so you sort of know where the tabs are.
it's obviously like you've just.
And almost should be prepared to break
That's what
something.
I was going to say. You've just got to do it. Like
If it is possible, well, we did it, didn't we? We took off everything, plugged it in, left it balanced in there, did the other side, plugged that in just to check that they both worked. Because the last thing you want to do is put one all back together, plug the other side in, and then be like, oh,
the other one
it don't work. Like it's a complete dead unit, and you don't really want odd indicators. I mean, it's not really a massive deal, but it's
It was annoying me.
But
I had them.
I'll put the link down below of where we got them from, the exact ones. Obviously, we're not saying they're better than the £80 ones. We haven't had the £80 ones. We can't compare them. But if it's 38 quid...
Even if they last like 6 months and then I go and get the expensive ones.
Yeah,
like,
at the end of the day, it's a bit risky, but with Amazon and eBay and all that, you are protected by their seller. So if you do put them in and they don't work, you know, you can open a dispute up and probably get another one sent out to you. It's no big deal. So yeah, we're doing more modifying this year because this video is filmed in 2019, but you're not going to see it till 2020. So have a good new year.
See you, bye.
Bye.
Toodles.